Can you speak a little bit louder, Yesol?
Hello!
How are you?
Good!
Are you good?
Yes!
Okay, where are we now?
The forest.
In the forest. Forest. What's forest? 숲. 숲.
소나무숲.
여기는 소나무숲. 그래서 여기는 pine forest. 예솔아, 우리 빨리 이거 보여주자. Let's show your new fence. 자, 여기 이게 뭐지? What is
A
this?
lake.
No, it's not a lake. Valley.
Valley.
Not that valley. 이거 배 말고 valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. valley. 그 밸리 말고. 자, 우와, 지금 여기 소나무 숲에 비가 많이 와가지고 계곡에 물이 엄청 빨리 흘러요. It's really the valley. It's running really fast, right? 예솔아, 친구들한테 뭐라고 인사할까? 우리 그냥 잠깐만 보여주고 끄기로 했으니까 빨리 끌 거야.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Are you just saying goodbye? By the way, 예솔, I found something interesting. 이거 여기 봐봐. 지금 여기 보이는지 모르겠지만 I found the spider and spider web. 여기요. 여기. 보입니까? Can you see the spider web? And a little spider? Oh my god, I dropped my pee. Okay. Yes, I think you can see the spider and the spider web. The spider is right in the middle. Can you see? Yeah. And this area here, I don't know if you can see, right? Ooh, I'm a little scared. Here is the spider web. It's really interesting. Oh, where's Yesol? Oh, I lost my girl. Where is Yesol? 예솔이 어디 있어? 우리 딸. Where is Yesol? I lost my girl. Oh, where did she go?
Anyway, she's doing hide and seek, I think. She's cheeky. Let's find Yesol. Where is Yesol? Where is Yesol? Keep on going to find my girl. 정말 안 보이네, 예솔이. 예솔 정말 숨은 것 같은데. I think she's really hiding deep somewhere deep. Okay. I was just showing the spider and the spider web, and she's out there. Okay, I gotta go and catch her. And this is the 광명사. It's a 광명사 temple, Buddhist temple here, and Yesol's kindergarten is right over there. Oh, sorry, wrong finger. So, and then they have this beautiful pine forest just next to the temple, which is really nice. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodbye because I gotta go and catch my daughter. Bye bye. 구독과 좋아요를 눌러주세요. Bye for now, everyone.